Did you know you can use your Xender to download video from different social medias? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and this is Q-EST Up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So let me just show you how you can use your Xender to download video from different social media. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have your internet connection. Make sure your data is on. Okay, after that, just go to your Xender. Okay, so I'm just going to log in into my Xender. So allow it to load. After it loads, look down. You're going to see social at the lower part, close to me. Okay, close to me, you're going to see social, then click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to see these things display on your screen. You're going to see this interface. You see WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and others. Okay, so these are different social media and you can download videos from with your Xender. Okay, so now go ahead. Now let's assume we are downloading video from Facebook. So I'm just going to go to my Facebook page and then select the video I want to download. So right now I'm in my Facebook page, one of my Facebook page. So I'm going to go ahead and then look for the video I'm going to be downloading. So right here, this is a video I want to download. So I'm going to just click on the video and then copy the link. You see those three dotted line? I'm just going to click on it and then copy the link of the video. So I'll copy the link of the video. Once I'm done copying the link, we'll go back to our Xender. So here are some of the videos I have downloaded using this Xender. Okay, so you're going to see this part where they wrote paste a link. So you're going to click on it and paste the link there. Okay, so once you paste it, it's going to analyze the link. Can you see what is happening here? Automatically the video has started downloading. Okay, so just give it time for it to download. So once you leave it for a while, you're going to see that the video has been downloaded. So this is the video that was downloaded. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead now and just close my Xender, and then let's go to our gallery to confirm if the video is right in the gallery. Okay, so I'm going to open my gallery right away and then just check, and here is the video, guys. So you can go ahead and download video from different social media handles using your Xender. It's actually doing more than what we think it can do. All we know Xender to be is to copy files, send files, documents, and every other thing. But your Xender can actually download videos from different social media handles. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and share the video with your loved ones. Please make sure your Xender is up to date. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.